Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Weekly time frame is another green candle and below average yung volume. Good news is BTC still recovering after consecutive weekly time frame na puro red candle. Good news is trying to recover sa uptrend momentum. And silipin na natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So kung makikita natin after ma-break ng falling wedge natin, BTC is continuously creating higher low. So first low, higher low, and meron tayong mga multiple higher low dito sa lower time frame. Tingnan pa natin sa 4 hours time frame para mas malinaw. So BTC is trying to create uptrend momentum sa lower time frame. Higher low, and another higher low. And na-break niya na yung symmetrical triangle pattern natin. And currently, nagkakaroon tayo ng pullback sa BTC. So what we expect sa ganitong scenario, the moment na basagin ni BTC yung previous lower high na to, possible this is a continuation ng uptrend momentum and lumipad pa. And the moment naman nabasagin yung trendline support is magkaroon tayo ng sign of weakness sa buyer's momentum. But currently, sa pinapakita ng BTC, we are on a uptrend momentum.